Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your Minecraft version and immediately backing up your world files. You're protecting progress. Next, download a texture pack that matches that version. Use the zip or folder provided by the creator. Once done, install Optifine if you want advanced features and better performance. Make sure to place the pack in the Resource Packs folder or drop it into the launcher's Resource Pack area. This gets you ready to swap textures without corrupting anything. You now enable the packing game. Open Options, Resource Packs, and move the new pack to the active list so Minecraft loads it. If you want to customize, unzip the pack into a folder and edit the assets /textures images with a PNG-capable editor, then rezip if needed. After that, adjust bitmaps, texture scale, and any Optifine shaders or features to tune clarity and performance. Make sure to reload resource packs so changes apply. This balances look and FPS. Finish by thoroughly testing. Walk through builds, inspect mobs and GUI, and view different light levels to confirm consistency. If textures don't appear or look wrong, first check the pack format number and file paths inside assets. Version mismatches are the most common culprit. Then reload or restart the game. If things still break, restore your backup to be safe and contact the pack author with details. This helps you recover quickly and lets creators fix underlying problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.